And we're here with
Sarah Schmalbach.
Sarah Schmalbach, and you are?
The paid digital content manager for Philadelphia Media Network.
Cool. And you're going to show us through the new Android...
Sure, the Inquire Android app, and then the Inquire and Daily News replica applications on the Android tablet.
Cool. Okay.
So we can start with the Inquire Android app, which was built specifically for this tablet. This image is going to be cut specifically by the newsroom each day, so it's going to be an image that is indicative or representative of that day's paper. You'll see our sponsored logos, and typically an editions menu is going to come out from the side to let you know what editions are available. So you'd pick Monday, September 12th, and this is the new design. So this retains a lot of the look and feel of the paper. You'll see like the Inquire blue and our logo. We also, draw special attention to the front page coverage, but we also allow you to browse the sections over here. And there will be some advertising that's a part of the app. Typically when you tap on the first story, you'll see an ad, which you can then close and then continue to read your story. The content's always going to be in this right rail, so you can scroll up and down. You can also customize the font size based on what you like.
And you can flip the orientation too, right?
You can. That's over here. It looks like a little black and white cookie, but oh, I'm sorry. That's actually the background. You can
the inversion,
flip the color, and then also, to your point, you can change the orientation of the story depending on how you like to read it.
Gotcha.
There's also video embedded in all of these stories, so that's what makes the app kind of special, is that all the video or photographic multimedia will be attached right on the story level by the newsroom. Oh, sure.
Just turn it.
This way?
That's good, yeah.
Okay. So let me just turn the volume up on the device.
Where were you on that moment? What were you thinking when you heard that a plane hit the North Tower? September 11th used to be somebody's birthday.
A little heavy, but so we've got the video content there. And you go right back into the story level. You can also share all the stories. So you could post to Twitter, Facebook, send an email, or save an article. Kind of read it later.
Oh, cool.
To your point. So, anytime you want to get back to the home screen, you can either tap on the Inquire logo or the back button.
So this particular app is different from the other two in that the other two show like a traditional newspaper layout, right? Cool. Can we see that?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we can start with the Daily News replica. This is today's paper, and this will be part of the subscription as well. Alright, we have it downloaded already. So this you could also change the orientation, but it's kind of good to read it in this format. You can browse the table of contents, which I like, so you can kind of get to a farther place in the paper if you want to, or you can start with the cover. So you browse it, and you could zoom in and zoom out, just like you would kind of on a regular tablet. And also, these headlines are typically available for you to tap on, and then you can read the entire story without having to jump through the paper. So it'll have the entire thing there for you.
Cool.
Yep. So that's really what the Daily News and the Inquirer look like. You do get a certain amount of archives in the replica edition. You can also set it to auto-download so that every day, the paper will download for you at about 5 o'clock in the morning. And then when you open the device, it'll be there ready for you to read. So this is today's edition of the Inquirer. There are not multimedia components to this version. It truly is just kind of an exact representation of what's in the paper. You can also zoom in here and read the headlines, or read the entire story. There we go.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome.
Thanks.